Welcome to the Learning Adda. Best Education. Monu was a young boy who lived in a small village. The village was surrounded by green fields and tall trees. The people there were kind, but not many had the chance to go to school. Monu was different. He loved to learn new things and always asked questions. His biggest dream was to get the best education. Monu's parents were farmers. They worked hard every day to provide for the family. They wanted Monu to help them in the fields, but they also knew how much he loved learning. One day, Monu's father called him and said, "Monu, I know you love school. We don't have much money, but we will do our best to support your studies." Monu was very happy to hear this. He promised his father that he would work hard and make them proud. Every day, Monu would go to the village school. The school was small, with just one teacher, Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma was a kind man who cared about his students. He noticed Monu's love for learning and decided to help him. One day, Mr. Sharma said to Monu, "You are a bright boy, Monu. I want to help you get the best education. There is a big school in the city where you can learn many new things. I will talk to your parents and see if we can send you there." Monu was excited but also worried. The city was far away, and he had never been there before. He didn't know if his parents could afford to send him. But Mr. Sharma was determined to help. He spoke to Monu's parents and explained how important education was for Monu's future. After much discussion, Monu's parents agreed. They sold some of their crops to raise money for his education. With tears in his eyes, Monu hugged his parents and thanked them. He promised that he would study hard and make them proud. The next day, Mr. Sharma took Monu to the city. The city was big and noisy, with many people and cars. Monu was a little scared, but he was also excited to see the big school. The school was even bigger than Monu had imagined. There were many classrooms, a big library, and a playground where children were playing. Mr. Sharma introduced Monu to the principal, who welcomed him warmly. Monu felt a little shy, but he was eager to start learning. In the new school, Monu studied many subjects. He learned about science, math, history, and more. He made new friends and enjoyed playing with them during breaks. But Monu never forgot why he was there. He studied hard every day, always remembering the promise he made to his parents. As time went on, Monu became one of the top students in the school. The teachers praised him for his hard work and dedication. Monu's parents were very proud of him, and they knew that their sacrifices were worth it. One day, Monu was chosen to give a speech at the school's annual day. He stood on the stage, looking at the big crowd. He remembered his small village, his loving parents, and Mr. Sharma, who believed in him. With a smile, he began his speech. "Education is the key to a better future," Monu said. "I am here today because of the support of my parents, my teacher Mr. Sharma, and my hard work. I believe that no matter where you come from, You can achieve great things if you have the will to learn and the right people to guide you. The crowd applauded loudly, and Monu felt proud. He knew that his journey had just begun, but he was ready for whatever challenges came his way. Monu's story spread through the village, inspiring other children to pursue their education. They saw how far Monu had come and realized that they too could achieve their dreams with hard work and determination. Years later, Monu became a successful man. He returned to his village and built a new school so that other children could have the same opportunities he had. He never forgot his roots and always remembered the people who helped him on his journey. Monu's story is a reminder that the best education is not just about books and classrooms. It's about the people who believe in you, the sacrifices you make, and the determination to never give up. No matter how big the dream, with hard work and support, it can become a reality. Thank you for the watching. I hope you enjoyed the story and learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories that help you improve your English while inspiring your heart.